Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to contact AliExpress customer support directly from the app step by step. So let's get started. First, open the AliExpress app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with your account. From the home page, tap on the account icon located at the bottom right corner. On the account page, you will see different sections like My Orders, Coins and several service icons. Scroll down and you will see icons such as Payments, Bonus, Shopping Credits, Help Center, Suggestion, Q&A and lastly Product Safety Alerts. From the option, tap on Help Center icon. Once the Help Center is open, at the top you will see a popular solution section. Here you will find quick solution options such as track parcel, return goods, refund goods and find account. You can tap any of these to get an instant help. Below the popular solutions section, there is FAQ section. Within it includes categories like shopping and deliveries, return, refunds, account management, ordering and payment, searching and communicating, coupons and promotions, and lastly rules and policies. Tap on any of this category. Now you will see further options. Within it, make sure to choose the option that is related to the issue. When you tap on the next icon to view specific questions, you can see the list of the questions. Choose any of the question that is related to the issue. Now the AliExpress show the detailed guidelines or solution related to that issues. And if you still need help, scroll down to the bottom of the Help Center page. Here you will find the online service button. Tap on it and it opens the AliExpress assistant chatbot where you can type your questions and get support. And that's how you can contact AliExpress customer service easily using the Help Center and online service chat. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.